In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money in Vantage. Now, the first thing you have to do here, once you are inside your Vantage client portal, you want to click on the deposit button up top right over here. And then after you do that, of course, you must first make sure you actually have completed your verification and opened a live trading account, because if you don't do that, you won't be able to add money or deposit onto your account, okay? Now, after you've done that, you can come back over here, and then here it's going to say the account. You'll have to select your account over here. I don't have any live accounts right now, but for you, it's going to pop up, and then click on the one you want to actually deposit onto. Select the amount over here, like for example 100, and then over here down at the bottom, as you can see, it says voucher. So in case you have a deposit rebate voucher, you can also use it over here. I currently don't have it. And after that, just click on this continue button over here. You'll then have to select a deposit method, and when you select one of their deposit methods, you'll be able to proceed, make the payment, and then fund your account, okay? And of course, eventually add money on here on the Vantage. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.